This is Lance Farsight from GreenMedInfo.com. Top Pharma brand of children's vitamins contains aspartame, GMOs, and other hazardous chemicals. The number one children's vitamin brand in the U.S. contains ingredients that most parents would never intentionally expose their children to, so why aren't more opting for healthier alternatives? Kids' vitamins are supposed to be healthy, right? Then what's going on with Flintstones Vitamins, which proudly claims to be pediatricians' number one choice? Produced by the global pharmaceutical corporation Bayer, this wildly successful brand features a shocking list of unhealthy ingredients, including aspartame, cupric oxide, coal tar artificial coloring agents such as FD&C blue number 2, red number 40, and yellow number 6. It also contains zinc oxide, sorbitol, ferrous fumarate, hydrogenated oil, and GMO cornstarch. On Bayer Health Sciences' Flintstones product page, designed for healthcare professionals, they lead into the product description with the following tidbit of information. 82% of kids aren't eating all their veggies. Without enough vegetables, kids may not be getting all the nutrients they need. The implication? That Flintstones vitamins somehow fill this nutritional void. But let's look a little closer at some of these presumably healthy ingredients. Aspartame is a synthetic combination of the amino acids aspartic acid and L-phenylalanine, and is known to convert into highly toxic methanol and formaldehyde in the body. Aspartame has been linked to over 40 adverse health effects in biomedical literature and has been shown to exhibit both neurotoxicity and carcinogenicity. What business does a chemical like this have in a children's vitamin, especially when non-toxic, non-synthetic, non-nutritive sweeteners already exist? Next, let's look a little closer at cupric oxide, 2 milligrams of which is included in each serving of Flintstones complete chewable vitamins as a presumably nutritional source of copper, supplying 100% of the daily value for ages 4 and above according to the Flintstones Vitamins website in the nutritional information. But what is cupric oxide? A nutrient or a chemical? According to the European Union's Dangerous Substances Directive, one of the main EU laws concerning chemical safety, cupric oxide is listed as a hazardous substance, classified as both harmful and dangerous for the environment. Consider it has industrial applications as a pigment in ceramics and as a chemical in the production of rayon fabric and dry cell batteries. It may be technically correct to call it a mineral, but should it be listed as a nutrient in children's vitamins? We think not. Now for a look at coal tar artificial coloring agents. A well-known side effect of using synthetic dyes is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. There is also indication that the neurotoxicity of artificial food coloring agents increase when combined with aspartame, making the combination of ingredients in Flintstones even more concerning. In addition to this, each serving of Flintstones complete chewable vitamins contains 12 milligrams of zinc oxide, which the manufacturer claims delivers 75% of the daily value to children's 2 and 3 years of age. Widely used as a sun protection factor in sunscreens, the EU's Dangerous Substance Directive classifies it as an environmental hazard and dangerous for the environment. How it can be dangerous to the environment but not for humans ingesting it escapes me. One thing is for sure. If one is to ingest supplemental zinc or market it for use by children, it makes much more sense using a form that is organically bound to an amino acid like glycine, as it will be more bioavailable and less toxic. Sorbitol is a synthetic sugar substitute which is classified as a sugar alcohol. It can be argued that it has no place in the human diet, much less in a child's. The ingestion of higher amounts have been linked to gastrointestinal disturbances from abdominal pain to more serious conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome. The one clear warning on the Flintstones website concerns the chemical ferrous fumarate. While it is impossible to die from consuming iron from food, ferrous fumarate is an industrial mineral and not found in nature as food. In fact, ferrous fumarate is so toxic that accidental overdose of products containing this form is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under the age of 6. The manufacturer further warns, keep this product out of reach of children. In case of accidental overdose, call a doctor or poison control center immediately. Now for hydrogenated oil. Finding hydrogenated oil in anything marketed to children is absolutely unacceptable. These semi-synthetic fatty acids incorporate into our tissues and have been linked to over a dozen adverse health effects, from coronary artery disease to cancer, and from violent behavior to fatty liver disease. GMO cornstarch. While it can be argued that the amount of GMO cornstarch in this product is negligible, even irrelevant, we disagree. It is important to hold accountable brands that refuse to label their products honestly, especially when they contain ingredients that have been produced through genetic modification. The vitamin C listed as ascorbic acid in Flintstones is likely also produced from GMO corn. Let's remember that Bayer's AG Biotech division, Bayer Crop Science, poured over $381,000 of cash into defeating Proposition 37 in California, which would require GMO labeling. Parents have a right to protect their children against the well-known dangers of genetically modified foods and the agrochemicals that contaminate them, don't they? GMO cornstarch is genetically modified organism cornstarch, plain and simple. We'd appreciate it if Bayer would label their vitamins accordingly. In summary, Bayer's Flintstones vitamin brand is far from a natural product, and the consumer should be aware of the unintended adverse health effects that may occur as a result of using it. Thanks for listening. This is Lance Farsight for GreenMedInfo.com bringing you another informative article. Make sure to visit our website and subscribe to this channel to hear more and stay updated on your healthy lifestyle.